So, luto na po yung suman natin. Yay!
Today we're gonna make suman, but ube flavor. And so thank you guys for supporting me, for the one who support me in our last suman video. So let's get started. And the ingredient is coconut milk, 2 coconut milk, sticky rice, milk. And then this is additional, but since we want ube flavor.
Yeah.
And then
And
the leaves.
dahon ng
And then
saging.
you need, okay, first put
So
in
that are the ingredients. So let's start, guys. So first,
put all of the sticky rice into your bowl.
okay.
Or half, because, and then put water.
You have to wash the sticky rice with
Yes.
water.
You need to do this 2 times when it gets clear. Wash, wash, wash. Look,
Yeah.
right here.
So you have wash, guys. It's almost the same or very same lang ng suman na ginawa last time ni Cleant, but this time we will put a UBE flavor. Okay, wash it.
Okay, now this rinse. I'm so scared.
May baldi po kami dyan, guys. Baka magtaka kayo kung saan nilalagay ni Cleant yung yung pinaghugasan ng bigas. Diyan po.
I'll just leave little water.
Again, wash it again until the water will become clear.
People like seashells, like the dead ones. Salt, we need salt.
Yeah, salt also later.
And sugar. Right?
No, sugar.
Yeah, we did put sugar in the last one. Oh, no,
That's a photo.
we made a lot of cooking videos. Now, is this okay? Is this a good range or one more?
One more. So guys, siya nga pala, thank you for watching our last video, the suman videos. Umabot po siya halos nasa 3K yung views nun. So thank you so much po. It's already white.
But I need white. It was
Clear na. So you have to put the gata na. So guys, malinis na po yung natin, yung malagkit na hinugasan ni Cleant sa tubig. Ang next niya na gagawin is lalagay na po yung coconut milk.
all of this too?
Yeah, you check first the one.
How do I check?
Yeah, you put now.
Come here, help. Then we mix it by our hands.
Yeah, mix by your hand. Then guys, pagtapos nito, iluluto na po
another one?
natin siya. Ilagay mo nga. Tingnan mo nga.
gonna mix and small hand.
Mix. No, put another one. So we have to put 2 cups,
Half?
2 cans of, half
Oh.
lang. Half. 2 cans
That's half.
of coconut milk. Then you can put the color na. So, inimix na po ni Cleant yung OB flavored natin.
Is this open?
Then, pagkatapos po nito, you check how is the color.
Oh.
Pagkatapos po nitong ma-mix, ilagay na po iluto na po natin yung malagkit natin.
Little by... Oh!
Yeah.
Little by little.
See? Yan. Until it will become OB flavored. Put more.
This is my favorite shade of purple.
So guys, habang niluluto po natin yung ating malagkit, i-prepare na po natin yung dahon ng saging. Kaya po ganito yung yung tsura ng dahon ng saging, guys, kasi nga 'di ba ininit ko siya sa apoy para hindi siya madaling masira. Kasi pag hindi siya nainit, parang mabilis niyang ma-brittle. Kasi parang parang crunchy. So kaya ininit ko siya para tingnan niyo kahit ganituhin niyo siya, hindi siya maaano. So, tips lang yun guys para hindi madaling masira yung dahon ng saging habang ilalagay natin yung malagkit natin mamaya. So, gupit-gupitin na po natin. This time po, hindi po natin siyang gawing triangle. Gawin lang po siya natin yung typical na kagaya sa atin na parang square. Oo, straight lang siya. So, ganito lang po. Yan. So, di ba hindi po siya mabilis na masira.
It's not breaking.
Yeah. So, tapos, ganito na natin siya. Ang liit kasi ng daging. Talaga. Super liit talaga.
How
So,
do I do it?
ganun. I-ano na natin siya. I-partial. Kahit hindi mo na siya kailangan ng Hindi mo na siya kailangan. Super liit talaga ng dahon ng saging kasi kaya yung nakakainis dito.
It's that big in Philippines.
Sa Pinas kasi malalaki at mahaba yung mga dahon ng saging.
We're not gonna use this.
We'll use.
But why you don't cut it?
Ayan. So, malapit na yun maluto. Para mga 5 minutes luto na yung natin. Yung
Oh, like this?
yan, ganyan later. Malagkit natin. So, ayan. So, sige guys, habang kami, nagkakat, antayin na lang namin yung thinner yan, yung sa yan. Oo.
Ba't mo doon mo naman
Ay, kaya kung nilagay.
may yan.
So, habang inaantay natin yon, mag-cutting muna kami. So, see you! So, ito na po. Kumukulo na yung natin. Yung malagkit na ube. Ayan po. Minimix ko po siya para hindi po siya magdikit sa ilalim. Ayan na. Parang sarap-sarap niya po tingnan. Ayan. So, siguro mga 10 minutes na lang. Ready na to. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa dahon ng saging. So, let's balot na. Ay, wala pa na tayong lagayan ng ano.
It's the same.
Yeah, only the color.
But it's
Yung
all
toothpick ata nasa ano, nasa kitchen na.
I don't think we need toothpick.
So, init-init pa. Balutin na natin.
No, why did you do this one here?
Yeah. So, yung style naman po ng balot natin this time is pag ganito po siya. Hindi po siya pa-triangle. See?
How do we go?
So, ganyan po yung pag...
For it,
Okay.
just like this. Then we got perfect. Pink. Whoa. 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 Ito. Ito.
So, ganyan lang po kasimple. Kayang-kaya ni Cleant. So, ganyan.
So guys, our suman is done. Let's go try it. Which one? This one. No, this one. Oh, come on.
Ooh, luto na. So, let's try. Wow, 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 wow. And do some puts.
Ako, me.
Ako na. Oh.
Drizzle it, yes.
Yes. Try it, Nak. How is it? How is it?
So good. Thank you guys for watching a new video for today, and I hope you learned something new again. And thank you for always supporting us always. And this was a very easy recipe, and it's very yummy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. Bye! And I tip, drizzle some condensed. It will be good.
Bye, guys, and God bless everyone. See you on our next content.